Yeah, 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Hello, everyone. How is it going? How are you? Smart listeners, smart
Hi.
listeners, not
Smart
here.
listener.
Yeah, as usually every Wednesday at 7 until 8 p.m. Of course, we are here. Smart of Your Life English Discussion, Smart FM with English Communities, with me, RD Sam. And of course, I'm not alone here. We have a friends from several English community from South Sulawesi, especially in Makassar. And of course, before we are going to talking about the topic for this evening, I would like to invite them one by one. Who are they? Yes, to introduce themselves to you guys, smart listeners. And of course, let me start. Hi guys. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
Good. Pretty good.
Pretty
Excellent.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Okay. So we will talking about our topic, but before we are going to talk about the topic for this evening, I would like to invite you one by one and start from you. Please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your community? How looks like? And what about the agenda or schedule? Please come on.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mulan from Bicara Community. Is one of the community in Makassar that has some of languages in Makassar.
Some. It means
Some,
that polyglot.
Polyglot. We call
Okay.
it polyglot. And we have motto: we serve together and we learn together.
Okay. How do we call you?
I'm Mulan.
Ulan. Okay,
Thank you.
Ulan. Welcome back.
Welcome
Yeah,
back. This is my
Ulan.
first time, yeah.
Okay. Next. What about you? Please introduce yourself. Do you know the clue, right? Do you get the point?
I got the point.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Good
wabarakatuh.
evening, guys. My name is Muhammad Alam Saramli. You can call me Alam. I'm
Okay.
representative of BMC. You know BMC? BMC is Bright English Meeting Club Indonesia.
Bridge.
Bridge.
Yes,
Bridge
uh-huh.
Meeting. Bridge English Meeting Club Indonesia.
Okay.
This is the community of English. If you want to learn about English, like for me, learn speaking, you have to join the BMC.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
okay.
you, Alam, the
I
brother
waiting.
of Petty Vera, right?
No, it's different. Me, it's just personal, not artist.
But the fan, yeah, the
Yeah.
fan. Okay. Okay, hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
Yeah.
So nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So sis. No, okay, kidding. Okay, what about you? Please introduce yourself to your smart listeners and viewers, wherever.
Okay. Hello, people. My name is Trimulani Hambrim, but my friends usually call me Mulia.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm from NGC New Generation Club. Our motto is say okay for everything. NGC is a club that focus on teaching and learning in English. That's it.
So, for more detailed information about NGC, could you mention the Instagram or the social media to smart listeners?
Oh, our Instagram is an NGC official club. That's it.
Okay. So, how do we call you?
Mulia.
Mulia.
Yeah.
Oh, sungguh mulia.
Mulia Indah Cantik Berseri.
Oh.
Like a song. Like
Okay. Okay. Next.
Okay.
Okay,
Hi
please.
everyone.
Yes. Hi.
Good evening. My name is Andi Dian Anggreni, but you can call me Dian.
Mhm.
I'm the same with Alam, my bro Alam
Badukun?
from BMC.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay. What
Same
the stand?
community.
What the stand for of BMC?
BMC.
Mm-hmm. The stand for.
The stand for. I'm sorry. This is my first time join the
Bridge
BMC.
English
Bridge
English Meeting Club
Meeting Club
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yeah, give it a applause. Are you ready, guys, with the topic?
Ready.
Are you ready, guys, with the topic?
Ready.
Okay, let's start. Yes, as I mentioned, as I promised to you guys that I would like to mention the topic, and the topic is Rojali. The abbreviation is Rombongan Jarang Beli. Give it applause for us. Okay, my first question goes to Mulia. What is your reaction when you go up for the first time this topic?
Actually, at first,
I like your accent. Actually, well.
thank you. At first, I thought Rojali was someone's name,
Okay.
or maybe
oh.
a song title. You know, guys, the song Rojali, Bang Jali, Bang Jali. Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah.
Mm.
But my friends told me that Rojali actually stand for Rombongan Jalan Beli. It refers to the people who like
Which
going
one
to.
your friend? Your friend is Google or which one?
No,
Who?
Yudis.
Ah, it is.
Yudis,
Okay.
yeah. He told me that Rojali stand for Rombongan Jalan Beli. It refers to the people who like going to the markets or mall to just looking around without really buying anything.
Hmm.
That's it.
Okay, you keep your statement, right?
Yeah.
Okay, keep your statement. I'll be back to you. Okay, what about you, Wulan? Sunyi sepi malam tanpa sinar bulan. Okay. What is your first impression when you got it for the first time this topic?
Never mind, that's okay.
Never
Because-
mind.
Because I'm one of the people who likes Rojali.
Oh really?
Really, it's
Oh my
me.
god. Uh-huh.
I
So.
yeah,
Uh-huh.
just camp to the mall or something like that, just for looking without buying. That's me.
Oh, so when you go for the first time this topic, you looks like or you feel like I can't wait this topic. This is very relate
No,
with me.
just say, what's that? Just ask for some of my friends in community, and they
Okay.
said, "That's you." Me? Yeah, that's yourself. Why? Because that's you. You just go around and without buying, just looking.
So that's why you grab it fast.
Fast, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, what about you?
about
How
me?
do we call you?
Dian.
Merayap.
You kidding me?
Dian merayap. Okay, sorry, kidding. What is your reaction when you got for the first time for this topic? Especially, yeah, this topic. How do you think?
Interesting.
Interesting.
Because I remember when I was young.
Mm-hmm.
I'm 42 years old
Don't
now.
worry, you are still
Yeah, yeah.
young.
When I was young, like your age, Mulia,
Mhm.
I go with my friends, go to the
Mhm.
mall. We are student, we don't
Mhm.
have money.
Mhm.
So make me and my friends happy.
Mhm.
Just looking around in the
Mhm.
mall and see the stuff.
Mhm.
And we when we see, we touch all the stuff, and I remember.
Look at your face to the
Ah.
screen. You're very beauty.
I remember about my friend asking many stuff to the sellers,
Mhm.
but they don't buy.
Okay.
But that's okay. But
It's
we
okay.
have one rule: don't disrupt each other.
Okay.
Make the vibes normal.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
But by the way, anyway, busway, becek, and gak ada ojek, yeah. And you don't have preparation, but you hit this topic. I mean, you grab it fast for this opportunity. Anyway, when we compare to another, you are people doesn't have preparation. How do you think about it? Why do you take this opportunity?
Because
To come here.
I love the challenge.
Okay, you love the challenge.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
that's why I joined this.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So when
I have new friends,
Mhm.
and I love meet to each other.
Mhm.
Of course, about the English,
Mhm.
I want to my English more good, better
Mhm.
than better every day.
Okay, thank you,
That's the
Dian.
reason.
Wow, okay.
Welcome.
Okay, what about you?
Oh, you forget my name.
Alan, I know.
Okay.
So it sounds like switch, right? I switched this. Okay, what about you? What is your reaction when you got for the first time this topic?
I'm interested about this topic.
Mhm.
Why?
And
Because
you propose yourself. Me. It's very related with me. Okay, how do you
because
think?
I ever to go to mall with my friends.
Okay.
My friends invited to go to mall, but
Mhm.
I wanna join.
Mhm.
I wanna join,
and
I in the mall.
Mhm.
My friends buying several stuff, and
Mhm.
I asked my friends, "Come on, you buying several stuff, and I wanna check it and I wanna try. I'm not buying.
Um, okay. Okay.
This a good friends.
Definitely. Yeah, maybe. Okay. My second question is which item or stuff your favorite when you go to market, especially like traditional market, like a mall, maybe modern market, like supermarket, mini market, and etc. What item or this or stuff you like and why? Okay, I start from you, Ainun. Mulia, sorry, Mulia.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
I like, because I'm a woman. I like
Mhm.
accessories.
Accessories,
I like your accessories.
Oh, really?
I like everything about old things.
Mhm.
Yeah, like vintage market. Yeah,
Mhm.
I like it. So when I go to the mall, I prefer to the stand accessories
Okay.
than like a doll or something like that. Yeah,
Mhm.
that's it.
Doll?
Yeah.
You like an apple?
No, I mean like the soft one. Yeah.
It's
Voodoo.
The food.
It's too expensive for me.
Okay.
How much?
Okay. Stop it. Okay, what about you? What item or stuff do you like when you go to the market, modern market, traditional market, etc. And why?
I wanna like to go to a mall because there is air conditioner. It's not it's not hot,
Mhm.
but it's good.
Mhm.
Yeah, I wanna buying clothes because
Mm.
it's the favorite. I wanna gathering to several clothes.
Really?
Yes, yes.
For like what the how to say what the motif like kotak-kotak maybe
not,
you know or-
printing.
Oh,
I like
printing.
printing. Yeah, printing.
Okay.
Printing. I like the
Okay.
printing.
Any else your explanation about the question?
Explanation?
Yeah. Make addition please because you guys when you explain is too short. Do you still have any idea or you keep your statement?
I have idea.
Okay, come on. Continue,
I have
continue.
idea.
Uh-huh.
I wanna to go to mall. I want to buy something if I like it.
Mhm.
But if I like it stuff, I wanna buying. But I wanna try it the first
Okay.
before I'm buying.
Okay.
Buying.
Like maybe when on the street like you try rambutan, you
Yeah,
try one pieces,
try
yeah,
again
yeah,
and again.
you try and
Try.
again and again until 1 kilo.
No, maybe it's
and you know
No,
ujung-ujungnya it's not buying.
no, I'm buying, but it's no, I'm buying.
Okay, give your statement. I move to Wulan. Yeah, you know, Wulan is like a figure of the. You know, it's very popular on the cinema. Mulan.
The hero from China.
Yeah. So, what the item or the stuff do you like and why? Do you have a similarities with your friend or totally different?
Actually, I like novels.
Okay, novel.
At the time, I went to
Gramedia.
Gramedia
Uh-huh.
just for reading.
Mm.
I like the novel actually.
Okay, novel.
Yeah, I got novel.
Why?
Why? Because I like reading, and based on my experience, reading can improve our knowledge.
Okay.
Especially in English, yeah.
Okay.
But now in Gramedia we don't have translation novel,
Mhm.
American novel now.
Mhm.
we don't have it.
Okay, so you like the how to say karya luar, yeah?
Yeah.
You like okay. Okay, thank you, Ulan. I move to you. Hi. Again.
I remember.
So
Just take a look at the camera. Okay.
then Tata, this is your artist.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. It's the same question actually with
Mm.
our friends. That what item or stuff do you like? Do you have like similarities with them or totally different?
I
Also,
like the
so
accessories. I like the book, but
okay. And
actually
why? Okay, please.
I am as woman and wife and mom. I have 4 children, so I like to buying like a vegetable.
Okay, vegetable.
Like maybe a beef.
Sorry?
Beef.
Okay.
Beef.
Uh-huh.
French fries like that.
Okay.
I like all the stuff for
I-
my
it's
kitchen.
it's relate about kitchen.
About kitchen. Yeah.
Okay. What about the like accessories, about the perfume or
Maybe I'm buying
costume?
from online.
Okay.
I love
Because it's more cheaper.
more cheaper
Mhm.
and good stuff.
Okay, you are cheaper. He is cheaper. you know cheaper.
Difference.
You know cheaper. Yeah. How about this?
He's hungry.
She knows. She knows. Okay. Any else?
Because we have to clever to choose any stuff
Mhm.
with low budget, with
Mhm.
low price, but good quality.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's very important that not just you like it and you take it and you buy. No,
Mhm.
you have to smart idea for buying.
Mhm. Okay.
Oh, my English very good.
Yeah. you have
My
to
son over there.
Yeah, you have to believe it to
Your son
yourself.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have to believe it to yourself. Yeah. Okay, you are like di atas rata-rata. Okay. Yeah. My third question is about this phenomena. Actually, this phenomena it's so long, right? And not new phenomena. It's really long. Yeah, time ago, even before Chris maybe. Yeah. My question is actually why this phenomena happen? What is the factor? Yeah. Okay. I start from you, Alam.
Oh, me.
What is the factor of this phenomena? Why are so
Okay.
massive? Kenapa sih begitu rame Rojali gitu?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Please.
Rojali is an prevention of rarely buying group, which is a group is people to come to shopping of business preventing for the people and but rarely make purchase
Mhm.
but more often
Okay.
just more often just around
Which just do you mean?
no
Uh-huh.
just walking around hanging out and reflecting the facilities without making transaction.
So the point is.
The point is Rojali is the rarely make
Maybe
purchase.
because many people's like
Yeah.
they have like low classes or middle class or why this happen actually
Maybe it's middle
middle. So that's why
That's
the middle class have to selective.
selective
Yeah?
choice
Mm,
buying the stuff
that's why they just
From-
come
yeah
and only cuci
choose
mata.
cuci mata
You say choose.
wash eyes.
Was eyes? What English is this? Oh, yeah, was eyes. Oh my god. Okay. What about you, Mbak Dian?
About me,
Why this happen? This
maybe
phenomena?
about the financial, the economic financial, or maybe I think in this generation, especially for Gen Z,
Mhm,
many Gen Z thinking about how to save the money.
mhm,
Not all the stuff, but in my area, millennial, we are consumptive.
mhm,
Yeah,
mhm,
very,
mhm.
very. So, because maybe we say the not perintis but pewaris, yeah. Yeah, but many G generation is like we call
Which one?
sandwich
is-
generation.
Oh yeah, sandwich.
So that's
Uh-huh.
why maybe the Gen Z want to buy anything. They look around
Mhm.
and want to buying, but somehow they think I can do it. I can buying because I'm a student.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have to working hard for my family in Kampung village. So maybe that the reason.
Okay, because like a dilemma, yeah, a lot of responsible.
Yeah, maybe they want to buy all. But they're thinking important for not for
And finally, they
self.
are very selective to
Selective.
spending the money.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, Gen Z is very good. I think so.
Mm,
Not all, but
yeah.
Some.
some.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know Gen Z?
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
Like me.
No, no. What about you? You know Gen Z? Which one?
For electric. Yeah,
Okay, what about you, Mulia?
We have the same answer.
Why this happen? This phenomena?
I think it's a mix of academic reason or our social culture
Hmm.
here in Indonesia. I think, sorry, I mean in this world.
Hmm.
Some people simply enjoying the experience,
Some
like
people say.
yeah, looking at the new product,
Mhm.
trends, or fashion, or just spending time together with their friends, their family. But for other people, it's about saving money, yeah, or avoiding impulsive shopping.
Mm.
That's it.
Sure, saving money
Yeah,
or
sure.
impulsive money?
Because I'm a student, so I'm so related to this
Mhm.
topic.
Okay, so there is similarities
Yes.
with her explanation
But
with your.
I'm sorry, but I'm not millennial. I'm not sandwich generation.
He is pizza. She is pizza generation.
Strawberry generation.
Generation, yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
god. Yes, strawberry. Okay, what about you, Len? This question is the same actually. Why this happened? This phenomena.
The first one, about financial.
Mm-hmm.
But for me, it's not
Mm.
about the financial, but about the service of the staff.
Okay, the service.
The service of the
For
staff.
example, for example.
For example, if
Uh-huh.
if we go to to one of the shop in the mall,
Mhm.
the service from the server should be nice.
Please, your
Should be nice. The service, yeah,
It's so far.
should be nice. Then I ever got the service in one of the shop in Makassar,
Mhm.
very very bad.
Like bad experience.
Yeah, it's my bad experience.
Okay.
Why? Because they underestimate us who will buy. Just us,
Judge by cover maybe.
just say like. But at the time, it's my experience.
Mm-hmm.
I went to one of the electronic
Mhm.
shop in Makassar, the
Mhm.
biggest.
Yeah.
And
Don't mention.
Yeah, just one
Please.
of the and then I look around.
Mm-hmm.
One of the staff asked me,
Okay.
"What do you want to what did you want to buy?"
Mm-hmm.
I want to buy this, and I asked, "What is the qualification
Mhm.
of the things?" And directly the chest, "How much money did you have?
Oh, wow.
Could you buy it?"
It sounds like sesak.
Like gossiping.
No, but it's true.
It's fact.
It's the fact.
Uh-huh.
And then I like directly there's if I give you the loan, can you could you pay each month?
Oh my god, so
Oh my
bad.
God. What happened? I just directly speechless, and then what do you mean?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Could, did you mean that
Very
I can
underestimate low attitude.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's the bad.
It's 0 star. Yeah.
Zero for me, and at the time,
Oh my
I
god.
always like if you call.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to hear
That's
that.
one of my experience.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The first day of Muharram.
Mm.
The first day of Muharram, I got it.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Okay.
Sorry, but
Take a long breath, guys.
it's
Yeah,
okay.
take a breath.
Hembuskan. Okay, big applause for us. Okay, my next question. We will talking about, of course, everything in the world has a two sides, positive and negative. Yeah, weakness and strengthness, of course. And we will talking about this, the strengthness of this phenomena. Apa sih kelebihan kalau orang Rojali itu gitu? Ya, what is the strengthness, the positive side of Rojali? Okay, I start from Mulia. Do you have a logam? Okay, please.
I think it's like again about saving money. It's for saving money. And then it's for your relaxation.
Okay.
As a student, I always getting like, oh my god, I need relaxation. And then I'm going to the mall to improve myself, to be more relaxed. That's it.
Okay, like refreshing.
Yeah.
Okay, even you don't have money, but just walking around, you refreshing, and of course you like,
Try it.
yeah. No. yeah. Post, yeah, upload, yeah.
And then if it's just really hot, the outside, I'm going to the mall
Ngadem.
to do enjoy the air conditioner.
Ngadem, yeah. Okay, thank you. What about you, Wulan? What is the strengthness or the benefit or the advantages of Rojali itself?
Roja, that is just for
You can
the fast food.
Mm-hmm.
It can increase their fundraising rise.
Okay.
But for the others,
Mm-hmm.
it's not good. The weakness.
No. Now we are focused in the strengthness first. Yeah.
It can for some of the shopper,
Mm-hmm.
it can increase their funds. For example, drinks,
Mhm.
food, just like
Okay.
that.
Okay. And actually also because there is no tidak ada yang sia-sia, yeah. I mean like
There's
this.
no useless.
Yeah, there is no useless
Yes.
things in the world. Even a lot of or massive Rojali come to mall, come to supermarket, they can branding, right?
Yeah.
They can branding the product for the social media, to the social media, and of course automatically the product is like more popular.
Yeah.
So jangan anggap enteng Rojali.
Yeah.
So that's why I say something like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's that excellent point. What about you, Mrs. Dian?
About me,
Yeah,
I
your son always smile to you when I mention you.
I think
Okay.
Rojali.
What is the strengthness, the benefit,
strengthness is-
advantages?
or benefit?
Mhm.
They can be a professional observe
They can be. Oh, okay, yeah.
for
Yeah.
observation.
Uh-huh.
And the second is, many people right now have the issue for the mental health.
Mhm.
So maybe Rojali
Mhm.
have that,
Mhm.
so they can go they
Mhm.
together, get one group, or
Mhm.
maybe not only for Rojali, yeah.
Maybe
Well,
it's
people,
you.
yeah, maybe people
Mhm.
can find the place who make them happy and
Mhm.
enjoy.
Okay.
So the mental health and can be good
Mhm.
for them.
Mhm.
And also they have the benefit. The third is Rojali can be like a good planning for themselves
Ah,
for next step,
okay.
because they observe about the
Okay.
place, about anything.
Yeah. The first is SSB.
Selective.
SSB first.
Yeah.
Center Bella.
Yeah. Center Bella. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the negative maybe.
No. We focus
No,
first for
only.
the strength.
Oh,
Only
okay,
First,
okay.
later.
Only.
Later.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay, keep your
I
statement.
talk too much.
Okay, keep your statement. Okay, what about you, Alam?
Me.
Assalamualaikum Pak Haji. Kesini aku kesini. Okay, come on. Continue.
Strength of Rojali.
Yes.
Okay. Strength of Rojali is it's the selective when this is buy some stuff and
Mhm.
can I choose
Can I
choose
choose?
by one one by one stuff. And
Okay.
yeah, it's a selective. It's if they
You know this
use
like
the-
touch screen.
Nah, yeah.
You say like this.
This is
touch screen, yeah.
If I want to buy, but It's thinking of the mind.
Oh,
Yeah, thinking of the
okay.
mind, but
Analytical thinking.
no,
Yeah.
yeah,
I see.
it's,
Uh-huh.
it's a good idea.
Mm.
Yeah,
And
there is a positive
Mm.
Rojali.
And of course, is like menjaga kewarasan kali ya. Yeah, something like that, right?
yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep your statement. You keep your statement.
Yeah, keep
Yeah, okay, keep your statement. Now we are still here, smart listeners, in 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia business and inspiration. Yeah, with me Erde Sam on English program, yeah, English communities, and yeah, we are still here with me, still with Ulan, yeah, Alam, Mulia, and Badian. Yes, my next question. This is opposite. And the previous we talking about the strengthness. Now we talking about the weakness. Okay. Weakness. What about? Okay, please continue.
The negativity or weakness.
Yes, the weakness of Rojali.
Rojali. I forgot the first.
How could it be? Okay.
Maybe not all Rojali, but we can find one group or two or more group in we call Rojali. They very make uncomfortable
Okay.
to another people.
Oh yeah. For example.
They talk too much.
Mm-hmm.
They laughing too much,
Mm-hmm.
and not all people love it.
They touch too much.
No. Maybe the negativity like Rojali can broken the
Oh yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
That's why
Mm-hmm.
I don't buy it because the stuff is broken.
But in the market merusak berarti membeli.
But some people can broken and they're running
Mm.
around the mall.
Okay. CCTV.
They don't have any responsibility for that.
What about the CCTV?
When you go running, the security can find you.
Pencuri ya.
Yeah, I think that's
Okay.
Only that.
Like also the extreme effect is like a
Yeah, that extreme.
criminalis.
yeah.
The extreme, yeah.
Yeah.
Extreme.
We don't judge all the Rojali because when I was young, I'm a Rojali too. yeah, not all. But maybe the financial, the economic critic, economic, they want to buy it. They see the TV, television, social media. Oh, I love this stuff in the mall, in this mall. I go to there with all my friends. Come on, we take it the stuff and we go running.
Guys, don't imitate this action to
Yeah.
your house and to your environment.
Yeah.
Ya, hanya
Remember.
profesional yang bisa melakukannya.
Remember.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Dia.
Thank you.
Okay, what about you, Mulia?
I don't know.
The weakness.
Maybe it's about create false expectation for the seller.
Mhm.
Yeah. Because as you can see, especially in TikTok, for example, there's so many customer also being rude for the seller.
Mhm.
For example, how to say acak-acak barang.
Cak,
Yeah,
cak,
like
cak, cak,
that.
cak, cak,
Oh my
cak.
God, it's so tired for the seller.
Oh yeah.
And then
To make it tidy, tight. Yeah.
that's it.
Only that.
Enough.
I'm still
I
waiting.
don't know. I think that's it.
Okay. Have you? Have you?
Yeah.
Have you? The weakness. Have you?
Yeah.
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 Have you? No, I'm serious. I'm not kidding.
I'm
Have you? Okay. You. Okay. What about you? Your perspective about
I'm
the weakness?
ashamed because this is my experience.
Oh. Okay. Come on.
I'm Rojali too.
But
I'm
anyway,
Rojali too with
I
my
like your
friends.
I like your jeans.
Huh?
Very wow. It's very fashionable.
Oh.
Yeah, fashionable. Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Wanna continue?
Yeah.
This is my
Yeah.
statement.
Uh-uh.
Okay. The weakness of Rojali, like me and my friends, I go to the mall. There is staff in the mall promotion with my friends, and I to go to the mall.
Yes.
I wanna take it, try it,
Mm-hmm.
and I wanna try it. I wanna buy it. I wanna buy it, but it's a broken this in the stuff. Broken.
So?
Yeah, because I wanna choose, try, but it's broken.
Oh my god. So what happened after that?
Maybe the
The seller comes
is
to you?
not angry with us.
Really?
No.
But the angry bird to you.
Because there is the rule.
Uh-huh.
There is the rule. It's I'm not follow the rules.
Mm.
Maybe there is rules. I wanna try it again. I wanna buy it with my friends. Okay.
Oh my god. Don't
Yeah,
imitate.
don't follow me. Don't follow
Don't
me.
imitate. Don't follow. Yeah, guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you? Have you?
What?
I asked. Have you?
No.
No. Okay. Same. The same question.
Lie.
No.
I think you ever.
What?
The
Same like me.
The same question. What is the weakness of Rojali? Maybe like Ngiller, yeah. But we don't have money. Okay, continue.
Okay. For me, not for me, but for others.
For me.
Alamak. Okay. For us, for some of the people,
Mhm.
what they do,
Please, see please.
disturb
See your camera.
the environment.
Okay.
Disrupt the environment, and
Mhm.
then the things will be broken if they touch rudely
Mhm.
without buying.
Mm.
Jadi please be polite if you wanna do Rojali, please.
Mm.
And vice versa with the waiters too, or promotion girl.
Oh, okay.
Please.
You say five versa. You
Vice
say
versa.
forza.
Yeah, just for that, please. Just please.
Okay, just it.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Now, yeah, we are still here, of course, with Rojali, ya, rombongan jarang beli. Do you have an idea, guys? What is the term of the opposite of the antonym of Rojali? Because you know Rojali is doesn't have buy anything. What about the opposite things? How do you think about the people who have like habit to the opposite of Rojali? Do you get my point?
Yeah.
Okay, Mulia. Opposite, the contrast. You know the people, the other people, Rojali. The other people is the opposite of Rojali. Every stop, they buy.
I see.
Like panic, yeah, like panic buying, consumptive, very consumptive people. How do you think about the people like that?
I think it's a bad habit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because the money actually also the money is so habit, guys. So don't do it. I think that I don't know.
But if you're rich, very
Maybe
rich.
if I rich, I'm gonna do it myself. But I'm not rich now.
Hope, right? Hope. Say I do hope, Allah.
I hope I'm rich.
Yeah.
Okay.
So buy everything.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
semoga ya. Hopefully.
Hopefully. Okay, Mbak Dian, how do you think about the people who like panic buying?
Panic buying.
Yeah. Yeah.
Panic buying.
Mm-mm.
That's okay.
Mm-mm.
It's more like the situation.
Mm-hmm.
Example, the COVID.
Mm.
Or people buying a vitamin.
Mm-hmm. Mask.
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
that's all. But sometime
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
Mm-hmm.
I think about what discount like the skincare or
Mhm.
everything I like.
Mm-hmm.
But before that,
Mm-hmm.
I save the money.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I buy it like that. The stuff I like skincare,
Mm-hmm.
like accessories, something
Mhm.
like that.
Okay.
But I think that's okay.
Mhm. As long as we have finance.
Finance
Uh-huh.
and you are rich.
Mhm.
If you don't rich,
Don't do
don't do it.
don't. Yeah.
You must be rich.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. It's makes sense ya.
Yeah, makes sense.
Makes sense. Okay, sesuaikan dengan ekonomi Anda guys ya.
Your budget.
Okay, your budget. Okay, what about you, Wulan? Sunyi sepi malam. Okay, what about you? How do you think about the opposite phenomena?
Sometimes I like that.
Huh?
That's me. Sometimes.
How
that's
you
me.
like that?
Yeah, sometimes I like be consumptive.
Calaga. Okay, continue.
Actually, and for this month,
Uh-huh.
actually, I spend all of my money for buying something, and
Wow.
him
Uh-huh.
told me that you just how to say it, menghabiskan uang, buang-buang uang. But
He
I
is
rather
your-
spend a lot of
He is
money.
your advisor?
Yeah. Sometimes, he told me that
My partner.
my partner in crime. Not in crime. Sorry. Yeah. Because this month
Uh-huh.
I buy some books from China.
Oh, so far.
Then
Ni hao ma.
and then it spent a lot of money.
Oh, wow. Mhm.
Until next month, I keep for that one too.
Okay.
And then I ask Alam, I wanna buy this. Don't spend a lot of money, yeah.
I wanna remind you.
Okay.
He always remind me about that.
Please everybody see your body.
Hi.
No, to the screen. You are very beautiful. You're very handsome.
Hi. Thank you, Alam, for your advice.
Say to your mother, Mak, masuk TV, Mak. Okay, what about you, Alam? Okay, the same question. What about your version about the opposite phenomena from this?
Sometimes I wanna agree, I wanna don't agree. I agree because I wanna I wanna to buy some stuff. I wanna try it.
Where's his live, Wana?
Huh?
Where's his live?
Wanna?
Yeah.
don't cut my statement.
Okay,
Don't
okay.
cut my statement.
Continue.
Sorry. After this, I buy it. I wanna thinking of mine. Maybe I need it or not. Yeah, maybe it's mikir-mikir. It's mikir-mikir, but it's I wanna need to saving my money. Maybe I wanna need to another day we need to buy something maybe. Yeah, I wanna think of my mind. Yeah, if I wanna buy it stuff because I needed to saving my money because it's my parents need to me to saving your money. Don't spend all of money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wanna follow the rules my parents.
Okay, still with us, of course. Yeah, still with Ulan, yeah, Alam, Mulia, and Dian. Of course, with me, RD Sam. And yeah, we're talking about Rojali. How do you think about the Rojali itself? What is the interval of the age? Do you get the point range of the that we call they are Rojali? How do you think?
I think
Do we have like specific or the data about Rojali? What the age? What the rentang ya interval? Yeah, interval. How do you
I
think
think
about it?
teenager.
Teenager.
Yeah.
What about like baby boomers?
For like a child, the money
Mhm.
is from the parents, like
Mhm.
yeah, and then for the child, they were like always cry if they wanna something stuff,
Mhm.
and then the mother or the father just like spend money for the child,
Mhm.
but for us, the teenager,
Mhm.
we don't like that.
So what is the big percentage between the old generation? Which one is the most of Rojali?
Teenager, Gen Z.
Teenager,
Yeah.
Gen Z.
Yep.
Okay, we will compare with the others. What about you, Badian? Which one is the
I
big
don't agree with Mulia
and why?
because I think the kids or teenager must be obey to the parents. When parents say don't buy it, yeah, don't
Okay.
buy it. Even
Okay.
the kids is angry or crying,
Mhm.
that's the rule.
And the most important is it's very dangerous if angry bird to you.
Yeah, of course, Angry Bird.
Continue.
Just kidding.
Okay.
But I think the parents,
The
because
parents.
like your mom or
The
your
parents,
dad,
you means like X and baby boomers generation.
no, baby boomers,
Baby
maybe,
boomers.
because you see the social media like I'm sorry about this, like a socialita. Yeah.
Social climber,
they even they rich.
Okay.
We have to
yeah.
see all people in the world
Mhm.
more have to the money.
Mhm, mhm,
When we are rich,
mhm.
maybe we can buy anything, but remember the other people
Mhm.
more important.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So
Sedekah ya.
yeah,
Better.
yeah,
Yeah.
maybe for the social media we don't have to people
Flexing.
see flexing something like that.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, for sosmed.
Mm.
Like that.
Okay.
That's why I think maybe not all the teenager
Mhm,
have the consumptive.
mhm,
Yeah, not all.
mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, continue. I got the point. It's so the contradiction. Okay, what about yeah? What about you? Oh, okay. What happened? Okay, what about you? Okay, what about you?
Range.
Yes.
Okay.
Which one is the most? What generation is the most Rojali?
Teenager until emak-emak. Because like shopaholic. Like shopaholic. And the kids, I think it's rule their parents. Their parents. It's
The
yeah.
kids don't have money. They just
No.
Ah,
Obey
you-
the
Obe
parents.
and Ube is brother.
Obey.
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 Obey. Yeah, okay, good, continue.
Okay. Obey. It's their parents and
Mhm.
the teenager
Mhm.
like the shopaholic.
Like
for
Ulen.
example, yeah,
Yeah.
maybe this is my partner.
Always
it's
the
same.
same.
It's the same. Need to buy book. I don't know. This book it's very expensive, but
Uh-huh.
but he
my
want
God.
to buy it.
Kato.
Yeah. I wanna ask I wanna ask her, you don't buy it because it's very expensive. He buy it again.
She
buy it again. She buy it again. She buy it again. Sorry.
Okay, continue.
She buy it again. We need to saving your money.
She la 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 la.
Saving
la.
your money.
She-
Yeah, your sister.
Okay, thank you. What about you? Your perspective. Which one is the most Rojali?
Depends on them. Actually, depends on them.
No, you have to choose which one the most.
The most
Yeah.
depends on them. Depends. I have no choice.
No.
I can choice.
No.
Depends on them because
Ah.
some of Gen Z
Mhm.
needs have to do that because
Mhm.
their reason, and
Mhm.
then some of millennial Sam with Mbak Dian,
Mhm.
Sam I have to do that
Mhm.
with our reason. So depends on them. We have no choice. I have no choice to choose.
Mhm. The depend
Depends
of
on
them,
them.
and after this you tandem.
No. Rojali is like window shopping ya. Window shopping. I like it window shopping.
Yeah, okay. Okay, giving applause for us, guys. Yeah, before we are going to the last session, of course, if you have like unfamiliar words, you have like idioms, you can express your idea to our mic here. But do you have idea like unfamiliar words, wise word, or maybe idioms? Do you have, guys? If you don't have, we move to the conclusion about our topic for this evening. Conclusion, please. What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Rojali.
Yeah.
The conclusion is, if you do that,
Mhm.
please don't disturb the others.
Okay, thank you.
Be nice, please.
Mhm.
Just that.
Okay, thank you, Ulan. What about you? What is your conclusion? Yes. Noodles.
No,
Yeah.
not noodles. If I wanna buy something, you need to thinking of mine. You have to need it to cause your. If you need it to buy the stuff, some
Mm.
things. That's all.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Mulia?
Rojali is not really bad, but at the same time, it's not really good. Just keep going and enjoy being Rojali, guys.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Mbak Dian?
Keep doing be a Rojali.
Uh-huh.
As long as possible, you have a time, you are rich, keep doing the Rojali, but one rule, don't disturb each other.
Mhm.
And all my friends here have the same agree with me, maybe, yeah?
Mhm.
Yeah? So,
Mhm.
thank you very much.
Okay, give a applause for us. Thank you so much, guys, for coming here. Thank you, Ulan. Thank you, Alam. Yeah, Ulan from MBC, Alam from BMC. Thank you, Mulia from NGC. Thank you, Mbak Dian from BMC. I hope you see. Yeah, next time, of course, and. That's all our conversation about the Rojali, smart listeners, wherever you are. See you for the next week. Good evening, good night. Bye bye.